Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to create a bootable Windows installation flash drive from within Linux. So we're going to be using a tool called USBZile. So you could run this via a command and then have the app start, point it to your ISO file, and then create your bootable flash drive. So that's what we're going to do today in this video. All right, so we're running Ubuntu Linux. So as you probably know, not everything works exactly the same with all Linux distributions, but this is a pretty common command, so it should work for you. All right, so we have our 128 gig flash drive here called data, ready to go here with nothing on it. It's going to be wiped anyway, so make sure you don't have anything on your flash drive you want to keep. All right, so here's our command here. So we're going to be using curl to install it here, so we'll copy this, open up a terminal, paste it in there. All right, so you can see curl has not been found. So if curl is not on your system, you're going to have to install it. So it actually gives you the command right here. There's sudo snap install curl and sudo apt install curl. So we're going to be using apt. That's the more common one, especially for Ubuntu. But before doing that, you might want to do a sudo apt update just to make sure everything's updated. So let's do that real quick. Put in our admin password. All right, so that's done. So let's scroll up here, grab our command. So we're going to be using this one here. Let's clear the screen first. All right, do we want to continue? Yes. All right, let's clear the screen again. All right, now we're going to run this command again here. Now that we have our repository updated and curl installed. All right, so we need to accept the agreement here. All right, so it found our flash drive here. So we need to select our ISO image. So I have our Windows 11 25H2 ISO right here. So let's browse to that on the desktop. All right, so we got to select our drive again here. Click on Start. So it tells you it's going to format everything on the drive. Do you want to continue? We'll say yes. All right, so obviously this will take several minutes, so I will pause the video and then be back when it's done. Then we'll try it out. All right, it says our USB drive is ready to use. So let's open up disks here real quick and see what it looks like. All right, so you can see it made its own FAT32 partition here. We click on this link here, we could open it up. You can see we have our setup files. All right, so now we're going to test it out to see if it works. So I'm going to shut down the computer and reboot it with this flash drive, and then we'll see if we get the Windows installation set up. So we'll be right back. All right, so we have a Windows logo, so that's a good sign. All right, now we have our setup screen, so it looks like it worked. All right, so as you can see, USBZile is an option you could use to create Windows bootable flash drives to install Windows. And of course, there are other options out there, but we just thought we would show you this one since it's pretty easy to do. All right, so I will put that command in the description in case you want to try it out, and then you can see if it works for you. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.